What's up guys, my name is Merlin and welcome back to my show. If you've never heard of VIA, it's the newest tool for changing key maps on your favorite QMK powered keyboard. If you want to know how to put VIA onto your beloved keyboard, make sure you tune in till after the break. I'll see you soon. Welcome back guys, let's get right to it, shall we? Step 1. Verify that the board is supported by VIA. Visit caniusevia.com and click on Supported Keyboards. If your board is in that list, congratulations, proceed to Step 2. If not, then you're going to have to wait for someone to actually support it in VIA. If you want to know how to do that yourself, make sure you check out my VODs every Tuesday nights on Twitch and on YouTube. Step 2. Download the VIA-enabled QMK firmware file. Click on Firmware. In this list, find and download the firmware file unique to your board. Important things to note. Number 1. This file is extracted from the QMK firmware repo on GitHub. Firmware sourced by other means may not be compatible with this current version of VIA, so make sure you only choose these two places. Number 2. Certain boards have different revisions, so make sure you flash the correct revision onto the correct board. For example, revision 1 flashed on revision 2 boards will not work at all. The same is true if you do it vice versa. Number 3. Some firmware files may have a .bin or a .hex extension. These are both legit firmware files and are dependent on exactly what board you have. Step 3. Flash this firmware file onto your board. I highly recommend QMK Toolbox. If you want to know how to use that, make sure you check out my other videos linked down below. If you haven't downloaded VIA already, make sure you click download and download the latest revision. Open it up. Step 5. Plug in your board. And if you have completed the previous steps successfully, then as soon as you plug it in, VIA will automatically detect your board. Congratulations, you can now configure your board however way you want. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys found this educational, that you now have VIA working with your keyboard. If you do, congratulations again. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Goodbye now.